Right, I don't know if you remember, we had a bit of trouble with our postal bore, but there's not much to them, you see. So I've got this centrepiece out. The bearings, they're not too bad on this bit, top and bottom. And then there's a worm gear that drives that, and that drives the core. But that's rock solid in here. So I've managed to get this little worm gear out, and you can see this is rock solid. So hopefully if we clean this up and put a new bearing in, this will be back operational. So I'll let you know. So there's two bearings. Obviously you can see a bearing sit there, tapered bearing. So I've knocked that out, that's seized solid. So we'll get a new one of those. I had to take this oil seal out of here, which have probably damaged it now. So I'll have to see if I can get another one of them, but you know, for the sake of just a few holes, I might just reuse it. Which might sound silly really, but we'll see. So like you can see, this is rock solid. What I'm going to do is let them sit in some waste oil and see if we can free them up. Obviously, and if not, we'll have to get new bearings. Obviously that will want cleaning up, but all in all, quite good. We'll soon be able to put a post bore on the tractor.